High in the Andes Mountains of Bolivia lies a place of extraordinary beauty, Salar de Uyuni. This expansive salt flat, the largest in the world, is a testament to the power of nature to create landscapes of surreal and awe-inspiring beauty. Formed over millennia by the evaporation of ancient lakes, Salar de Uyuni is a place of silence, vastness, and unparalleled natural wonder. Travelers from around the world make the long journey to this remote corner of the world, drawn by the promise of experiencing a place unlike any other. They come to witness the endless white expanse of the salt flats, to feel the crunch of salt crystals beneath their feet, and to marvel at the interplay of light and sky that transforms this unique landscape throughout the day. Salar de Uyuni is a place of pilgrimage, a place where one can feel a profound sense of connection to the natural world, and a place where the beauty of our planet is on full display. In this essay, we will journey to this magical destination, exploring its beauty and reflecting on the sense of peace and wonder it evokes. Imagine standing on a vast white plain, the horizon stretching endlessly in all directions. The ground beneath your feet is not sand nor earth, but a blindingly white expanse of salt, cracked into a network of hexagonal patterns. This is Salar de Uyuni, a sea of salt left behind by the evaporation of prehistoric lakes. The silence is almost deafening, broken only by the sound of the wind whispering across the salt flats. The salt forms a geometric tapestry, a testament to the unseen forces of nature that shaped this landscape over millennia. These hexagonal patterns, formed by the repeated process of flooding and evaporation, stretch out as far as the eye can see, creating an almost hypnotic effect. The sheer scale of the salt flats is difficult to comprehend. It's easy to lose all sense of perspective in this alien world. When rain transforms the salt flats, the landscape undergoes a dramatic metamorphosis. The hard, cracked surface of the salt flats disappears beneath a thin layer of water, transforming the landscape into an immense, reflective surface. The sky, in all its vastness, is perfectly mirrored on the ground below. Walking on this surface is like stepping into another dimension. The sky above merges seamlessly with the ground below, creating a sense of disorientation and wonder. It's as if you're walking among the clouds, suspended between two skies. This surreal experience is a powerful reminder of the beauty and strangeness of the natural world. Section 4. A walk through the clouds. The experience of walking on the salt flats, whether dry or covered in a thin layer of water, is like entering another world. The vastness of the landscape dwarfs the individual, fostering a sense of humility and awe. The silence is profound, allowing for introspection and a deep connection with the natural world. As you walk, the crunch of salt crystals beneath your feet provides a constant grounding rhythm. The air is clear and dry, carrying with it the faint scent of minerals. The sun beats down from above, but the vastness of the landscape prevents any sense of claustrophobia. There is a sense of freedom here, a sense of limitless possibility. Section 5. Sunset over Uyuni. As the sun begins its descent, the sky above Salar de Uyuni erupts in a symphony of color. The vast expanse of the salt flats provides an unobstructed view of the setting sun, transforming the landscape into a canvas for nature's most spectacular light show. The sky transforms into a tapestry of fiery oranges, deep purples, and soft pinks. These vibrant hues reflect on the surface of the salt flats, creating a spectacle that is both beautiful and surreal. The setting sun casts long shadows across the salt flats, emphasizing the texture and patterns of the salt crystals. As darkness descends, the stars begin to emerge in the inky black sky, their light reflected on the salt flats below, creating the illusion of a universe above and a universe below.